Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to recover an old Cash App account without using your email or phone number. Although there isn't a built-in method for this, I'll share a workaround that can help you log in to your old account. First, make sure you are not logged into any Cash App accounts on your mobile device. When you open Cash App, you will be prompted to enter the phone number or email associated with your old account. After receiving and verifying the code, your account will be accessible. If you have already created a new account, reclaiming your old one is still possible. Open Cash App, tap the profile icon, select Support, then choose something else. Next, select Can't access old account. Contact support via email and follow the instructions. Once you've submitted your request and verified your information, Cash App support will merge your old account with the new one. That's it for this video. If this method doesn't work, you can create a new Cash App account. If you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.